Dobrý den, vážení a milí. Hlásíme se vám z největšího veletrhu kompenzačních pomůcek SightCity 2024, který se koná v německém Frankfurtu ve dnech 15. až 17. května. Dneska, respektive v rámci tohoto veletrhu, už je to naše druhé video. První video, které jsme udělali o řádcích, obrazkých řádcích B-Note, si můžete pustit. Kolega vám tam určitě dá nějaký odkaz na to.
Určitě dostanete proklik.
Co nás teďka čeká? Jdeme za našima kamarádama, řekl bych už, protože spolupracujeme s nima už od počátku, téměř od počátku naší společnosti Symbiosis Devices. Je to společnost KOBA Vision, kterou můžete znát nejen to, že na vás mluví nuancí hlasy, protože KOBA je jedna z evropských distributorů, nebo možná světových distributorů těchto hlasových syntéz, tak především je to výrobce kamerových lup Vocatex, což jsou kamerové lupy s hlasovým výstupem, a digitálních, nebo respektive jako čteček dokumentů, čtečky dokumentů Easy Reader. Tome, znáš kamerový lupy Vocatex, co od toho očekáváš?
Očekávám novinky v rozpoznávání textu, rychlejší odezvu a snad se dočkáme i lepších kamer, lepších senzorů. Uvidíme, co se dozvíme dneska na stánku.
Co jakoby máme nějakou informaci, že o těch kamerách nějaká informace proběhla z nějaký předešlý mailový pozvánky. Já chci asi říct, velké kamerové stolní lupy jsou pořád jako hodně oblíbený, i když teďka v poslední době je nějaký jakoby trošičku tržní úpadek, protože asi trh je trošku nasycený. Takže já doufám, že motivujeme vás k tomu, abyste se aspoň na ty lupy přijeli třeba za náma podívat. Nemyslím sem do Frankfurtu, ale za náma do Prahy. Asi to nebudeme díl zdržovat a budeme najít.
Budeme najít a ozveme se vám určitě, až se dozvíme víc informací a dáme si nějaký závěr.
Tak, jdeme na to.
Okay, Bart, we are here after the 1 year on SightCity again, and I'm pretty sure that you have some new features and news for us. So if you can briefly describe what's new and what's going on with KOBA products.
Yeah, correct, Peter. Thank you. So we have some new features for the Zoom Cam to start with. Zoom Cam is a portable video magnifier which is foldable, especially for students and for working places. We have implemented now a new sliding table and dock, which is easy to put the Zoom Cam in. And you can easily put the remote controls on the sliding table as well. Second thing what we have done is the new Zoom Cam will also have some feedback when you turn the camera head, so you know when it's in the right position for putting it straight to the text.
Yeah. So you are sure that the text is placed properly, or the camera is placed properly?
Correct. Correct. Yeah. And the third feature that we have implemented with the Zoom Cam is we have some new lights and filters, and that does mean that we don't get reflection from the light source anymore. So you'll have a more uniform image and much brighter image in that way.
So the reflections are not disturbing you when reading the text anymore?
Correct. Right. Yeah, that's correct. Then in terms of Vocatex, we have implemented some new control panels with a USB-C connector at the right side of the control panel. At the USB-C connector, you can connect a Bluetooth adapter or some USB-C headphones.
And when you connect the Bluetooth adapter, then you can connect the headphones wirelessly, right?
Yeah, correct. So you have the wireless connector for the headphones.
Yeah,
correct.
I see.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Then we also have implemented some new hardware in the unit. That does mean that it's now instantly reading the text. So when I press the reading button, it starts immediately reading the text without having a small pause. No, it takes 1 second. With the units in 2023, it takes 2 seconds, so it has improved.
So the recognition of the text itself has been increased.
Yeah, correct. Then in the near future, somewhere in August, September 2024, we also will implementing some new lights and filters as we do in the zoom cam. And that does mean that the image quality will get much better for Vocatex as well. So you don't have light reflections anymore in the image of the Vocatex.
Aha, so it is not implemented yet, but your plans are to implement it during the fall.
Yes, correct. Yeah. And the last improvement for Vocatex is the document camera. So when you go to the lowest magnification level and you go again lower, then a second camera comes in. And this second camera will have more resolution and also a brighter image because we have the new lights in as well. Also, this new camera will be implemented in August, September 2024.
Yeah. And is it possible to read the whole page without necessity of moving the document?
Yeah, that's correct. That's the reason why we have 2 cameras in the Vocatex Plus. So when you turn the tracking zoom button of the camera to zoom in and zoom out, if you're at the lowest magnification level, it stops for a while, and when you turn again, you go to a lower magnification level, and that lower magnification level, you can see the whole A4 page. You position the text with the sliding table, and then you press the reading button, and it starts reading the whole A4 page.
Perfect. So it is not necessary to move the document to be able to read the whole page.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Yeah. Only for an A4 page. If you have, for example, a newspaper, which in most countries is A3 format, then you can still use the function as before with the column selector, and you can select the columns that you would like to read.
Yeah, because the A3 page is much bigger, so the camera is not able to see the whole page.
And even in that mode, it's also comfortable to just select text blocks that you would like to read. For example, if you are a newspaper, you see a picture and you only want to read the text underneath the picture, for example, then it's possible to select the text block and to start reading it with that system.
Yeah, I see.
So that's in terms of Vocatex. And then the last improvement is for the Easy Reader, where we also have implemented new hardware, and that makes the OCR process also faster.
So it's the similar new feature as in the case of Vocatex, right?
Correct.
There is the speed of Vocatex and Easy Reader in recognizing the text is the same right now, you can say?
You can say it's the same. The only difference is that the Easy Reader is a scanner system, which is a really blind-proof system for the blind, of course.
Yeah.
But scanning takes time, of course. It takes about 8 seconds to scan, of course, while the Vocatex takes a picture. And that's the reason why a Vocatex starts reading immediately after 1 second. And then Easy Reader, you have to wait 8 or 9 seconds to start reading it, because you have the scanner time.
Yeah, but on the other hand, we have noticed that in the last units of Easy Reader, the newest ones, the scanner is much more quiet. In the past, it was a little bit noisy, maybe for some users, but now it's very quiet.
Yeah, correct.
Perfect feature.
All our systems also have SSD memory cards, because it's important to not have fans and moving parts. So it has to make a pleasant way for reading, of course, and not having to have too much noise from other equipment in the background.
Yeah, that's very useful. Okay, and the last question from me. Can you tell us something about your plans, about KOBA plans in the not distant future?
So we always are searching for new technologies for improving our systems. For example, we're working now on projects artificial intelligence.
Really?
We're thinking about smartphones and tablets for having large screens with it as well. So we're thinking about going into that direction, of course, for having more modern and the latest technology in our products as well.
Wow, sounds good, and we are looking forward to it a lot.
Super. Thank you.
Thank you for your presentation, and see you soon.
Okay, great. Thanks, Peter.
Thanks.
Tak jo, my máme po prezentaci u firmy KOBA Vision. Jak jsme předpokládali, dozvěděli jsme se spoustu novinek o nových kamerách, nových senzorech. Přidali polarizační filtry na LED diody, čímž se eliminovalo spousta odlesků při zvětšování textu, třeba u časopisu a k dokumentech se úpravou. U pomůcek, jako je Easy Reader, tak se vyměnila základní deska, což umožnilo zrychlení rozpoznávání textu. A u lup Vocatex tak se zlepšila kamera, je i rychlejší rozpoznávání textu pomocí OCR. Je přidaný USB-C port na krajní stranu front panelu, který umožňuje připojení audio zařízení, jako jsou sluchátka, reproduktory. Reproduktory teda s připojením USB-C adaptéru pro Bluetooth. Dál pro kamery zoomcam se vylepšil senzor. LED osvětlení přibyl polarizační filtr, který také eliminuje odlesky. A nově jsou pro zoomcam dostupné dva druhy podložek nebo stolečků, kdy jeden je statický a umožňuje snazší pohyb textu, knih a dokumentů. A druhý tak je, dá se říct, identický stolek posuvný, který známe už od Vocatexu. Dál jsme se dozvěděli plány, kam chce firma směřovat, nebo kam chce směřovat příští produkty. A to je, že chtějí zakomponovat i umělou inteligenci do svých produktů, což je v dnešní době velice populární a věříme, že to bude umožňovat lepší práci s textem a obecně s informacemi. To bude ze stánku KOBA Vision pro dnešek vše. A já vás poprosím o sledování a budu se na vás těšit zase příště. Mějte se hezky.